You're welcome. My name is KAWALYA Robert. I'm doing business computing here too. So today we are going to do different calculations using spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel. Here we have a question. So this is our question. It starts from here. This is our question, as you can see well, and it ends here. So that question we are going to do it using Microsoft Excel. So without wasting time, let me open my Microsoft Excel. It is here on the desktop. I'm going to open it. Is here. So this is our question, like I said. So below is a list of items sold in one of the supermarkets in your area. Use it to answer the questions that follow. So we have items, cost price, VAT, profit, selling price, then the total. Not selling price is cost price plus VAT. So that is the question. Required, enter the above table in Excel sheet and name it area supermarket. So before doing anything, it is advisable to first save your work. So you can press Ctrl S, or you can come here on the file tab, click there, and then you save. They have told us to save it as area supermarket. Area supermarket. So that is it. Now I'm going to save. So after that, I'm going to just extract this table to save time. Instead of typing, I'm just going to extract it. I'm going to go here, file, then open, then it is there on the desktop. I saved it as supermarket. Just save time, but you can just type on that table. This is the table. Let me verify whether it is the same. Yeah, it is. So it is the same. So let's start with answering our questions. Required, enter the above table. We are done with this. 5 marks. Imagine just putting it doing this data and then you save. Just 5 marks. Rotate the column titles to 45 degrees. How do we do that? So these are the column titles. You just highlight them. After highlighting, you can come here on the orientation. You click on the drop down. They have told us you can come here on format cell alignment. Then they have told us 45 degrees. On the orientation, it is here. You can type it, or you can check on the drop down. To save time, for me I'm going to just type it 45. So they are now on 45 degrees, the column titles. Let's go to part S. Determine VAT and profit for the different items. They have told us that VAT is 18% of cost price. Selling price, profit is 3/4 of cost price. It means Any formula in Excel, it begins with an equal sign, equals VAT, it is 18% of cost price. Yes, it is 18%. You can just put 18% times the cost price. So that is the VAT. So I'm going to just drag that. Excel simplifies life. They have told us that profit, it is 3 out of 4 of the cost price. 3 over 4, then times the cost price. We continue with our question. They are now saying on part 2, determine the selling price for the different items sold. 5 marks. They have told us that selling price is cost price plus VAT and profit. So to get the selling price, we are going to add this. They have said it is cost price plus. Okay, we are going to add this. Just put plus, okay, plus this, the value in this cell. Yeah, that is it. That is the selling price according to the formula given. So we are done with that. Let's continue. Let's go to part U. Compute the highest selling price among the items sold. Highest selling price. Highest selling price. Highest selling price. Let me just maximize. Let me maximize this. I think they must ask for, in case they have asked it for lowest selling price, is you can also get it. Say lowest selling price. Any formula in Excel, it begins with the unequal sign. You press equal. Highest, we are going to use maximum. It's going to be max. We open the bracket, and then I'm going to highlight from the first cell to the last one in the column title selling price. Then I'm going to close. So as you can see, this is the highest selling price. Then the lowest, we are going to use mean function, equal sign, whatever. Then I'm going to highlight from here to here. Then I close. That is it. So let's continue. Assuming there is a quarter decrease in the selling price, determine the new selling price for the different items. How do you do that? So we are going to find the new selling price. They have told us that assuming there is a decrease in the selling price, determine the new selling price. Okay, so a decrease, it's going to be equal sign this. Then to show that decrease, we are going to subtract. To show that it decrease, they have told us that it is a quarter. It's 1 out of 4 times this. So that is the decrease. It has decreased. It has been 9,650. Now it is 7,237.5. So it has decreased. Yes. So let me just drag. So that is the new selling price according to that, due to that decrease of a quarter. Let's go to using a formula, count the number of items sold and also compute the totals for each column. That is very simple.